I absolutely love what this room looks like now. I've finally got rid of the bags and I've just put the mirror onto the other side of the room because I think it just opens out a bit when it's not on the other side, but I absolutely love it. It makes it look a lot more spacious and just, yeah, I'm not going to let it get that bad again. So I'm now moving on to the ensuite bathroom, and this was actually the last room that I did. After doing the spare room, I did go downstairs and do downstairs first because I wasn't going to be doing the bathroom in this video, but I did. I decided that I was going to. It's because it didn't really need much doing to it today, but I thought it could still do with a freshen up. So it was a bit of a race against the sun. You can tell that at the beginning you can see that it's light out the window, and then by the time I finished it's dark, so it was a bit of a rush. But these boxes are a godsend, aren't they, really? So many of you suggested to me to get a couple of boxes because you could see how cluttered that shelf is, but literally it takes me half the time now to clean this bathroom because it can all just be took out and took back in really quickly. So thank you to everyone that told me to get the boxes.
The closer you got to me, the faster I try to leave. Like a mirage, like a mirage. The scars that you don't let keep on my arms, I appear empty.
And I just broke one of my favourite wine glasses, so that wasn't very fun. But this kitchen doesn't actually take that long to do, which is why I started upstairs, because I knew that once I'd done downstairs I could not tackle upstairs I've always got to start in the messiest room. Let me know which room you start in. I do normally start in the kitchen, but you saw upstairs, it really needed doing. So I started upstairs today just to mix it up a little bit. And finally, I'm going through into the living room. You can see that it's not actually too bad in here at all. I've not long done a front room, living room clean with me, like a deep clean. So not a lot needs doing, just tidying and a bit of hoovering, and then we are all finished. So thank you for watching. Don't forget that this is a collaboration with Jade Charley. So once you have finished watching this video, pop over to her channel, watch hers as well, and let her know that you come from here. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell. That will just let you get a notification every time I post so you don't miss anything. And also leave this video a thumbs up, because it really does help my channel when you do that. And I will see you in the next one.